Courtney. And Dean, I've tried some of this stuff already. It is delicious. We're heading back out to for grilling for Labor Day.
I'm glad because I've heard that a lot of the food did not make it to the anchor desk.
Maybe partly my fault.
Yeah, apparently nobody who works in our building has ever eaten food before and attacked people in the hallway while they were bringing food back. So I don't know what to tell you about that. But we've been taking sort of requests today, and people have been sending in text to me asking me recipe requests and things that they've been having problems with, things like that. And somebody had sent a text in to me. I don't know if we're able to put it up on the screen. We are. How about something hearty for when the weather cools down a little, kind of like it is today? Can you do meatloaf on the grill? And absolutely you can do meatloaf on the grill. You make your mixture pretty much the same as you would for any kind of meatloaf. This is a ground round pork, 1 egg mixed into it, about a cup of panko crumbs, salt, pepper, put some onions in it, I put some green pepper in it, and then there's no better way to mix all this up than with your fingers. This is already pre-mixed, so I'm not going to do a lot of it right now, but just get your fingers in it and really, really mix it up. Start it off with about 2 pounds of meat mixture, and this is half of it. And really all you do is, you form it into a regular meatloaf shape, not too deep, because you're going to cook it on the grill. I was worried, would it hold together, but the panko crumbs hold everything together. And once you have it all set to go, this just goes on the grill, like this one that I already have done, that is going to go on a plate. And this is a mixture of barbecue sauce and ketchup. I mean, you can leave it plain, but I really like the barbecue sauce and ketchup on it. A little glaze. You can even, leave this on the grill a little bit and glaze it up as well. But it holds together pretty well. And, for when the weather cools off a little bit, nice piece of meatloaf on the grill. You can't go wrong with all that. And it does have to cook for a while, though. This was on the grill for probably about 45 minutes. Instant read thermometer should get up to 160 degrees. That's the point at which it's safe. So we had meatloaf today, had 3 different kinds of pork tenderloin today, a Greek style, a honey mustard, and also an orange marmalade. We had 3 different kinds of pizzas, a chicken sausage pizza with feta cheese and spinach. We had a Nutella pizza with fresh berries on it, and also a Mexican-style pizza, and we did 3 different kinds of seafood earlier this morning as well. Honey mustard salmon, we did halibut, and some grilled shrimp in a honey chili pepper sauce. It was really good. All of the recipes are up on the web, WGN-TV.com/Dean's And once again, thanks to our friends at Jewel for helping to make all of this possible today. Thank you to the million bees that apparently are on the northwest side of Chicago that came to visit me this morning. We've been just covered with bees and things here this morning for the cook-off. Everything's going up on